Hey, what's up guys? My name's Winiarski and I'm a photographer and filmmaker here on YouTube as well as Instagram. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to take any ordinary lens and turn it into a macro lens in 60 seconds. Alright, so this technique isn't anything new. I didn't invent it, I didn't spend years researching it. I'm not the Albert Einstein of this technique or anything. But if you're interested in trying out macro photography and you don't have a macro photography lens, this video is going to allow you to kind of dip your toe into the water that is macro photography and see if it's something you'd want to pursue further. Alright, so step one in converting your lens into a macro lens, you're going to remove the lens caps like so. You're going to take this lens and instead of mounting it onto your camera, you're going to flip it around and mount it like so. And you're done. Now you have a macro lens. It's really that simple. Now keep in mind, your lens isn't actually attached to the camera, so you're going to have to hold it maybe like this with both hands, or underneath like you're taking a regular photo. Just don't drop it, okay? This is sort of obvious, but you're not gonna have autofocus when you're just holding a lens like this, which can be a little bit finicky. Now, also when you shoot like this, you're gonna have an extremely shallow depth of field. The best way I've found to get shots in focus is look at the back LCD screen. You wanna punch into that with a digital zoom and move your camera forward and backward until it's in focus. Once you think the image is in focus, fire off a bunch of shots and just choose from the best one. Here are a few shots I took this morning showing off this technique. One last thing to note, and this is a little bit counterintuitive, but the wider the lens, the greater the magnification, and the longer the focal length, the lesser the magnification. So your telephoto lenses are actually going to magnify less than your wide-angle lenses once you flip them around. But try it out with different focal lengths. I found shooting around 50 millimeters is a pretty good focal length to start at. You could go, a little bit lower, a little bit higher, but I found around 50 is a good starting point for this. But try it out, see what works best for you. Also, be smart, be safe, don't do this in the rain, don't do it if there's a lot of dust. Remember, you are exposing your camera to the elements a little bit, so just be careful and use common sense when doing this. It's not really any more dangerous than doing a lens swap, but just use common sense, okay? There's definitely a reason macro lenses exist, and macro photographers don't just flip their lenses around. Anyways, try it out, have fun, and if you like the video, be sure to like it. If you have any questions, have any comments, hit up that comment section down below, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again for watching. My name's Winiarski. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you all in the next one.